Good afternoon, my beautiful people. I'm Sotadeology. In today's video, we're going to dissect complex system of the universe. So this is going to be one of the Sotadeology lectures. And so we're going to use formula of everything to drill deep into the black hole to get the happenings in the black hole. So we're going to see how linear solution can result to emergence of random solutions. So now, with no further ado, let's get with it. So now we have equation which is e to I theta, which is the complex wave, equal to cosine theta plus I sine theta. So now the cosine theta is the real wave, while the I sine theta is the imaginary wave. So now when we extract the real wave against the imaginary wave, then we're going to have it in this form. When the real wave reaches the central zero point, imaginary wave is at the peak energy potential, and so when the real energy wave reaches this 0 point at the central line, then the imaginary wave is at the low energy state. So imaginary wave will serve as energy reservoir for real energies exhaustion. So now, when we are to consider complex system of the universe, we have to consider three things. So we have to consider 2D to 3D transition. So when we now have this flipping of equilateral triangle to this, and by connecting to it, we have quantum entanglement. So quantum entanglement happens at the nucleus of the black hole as it extends into the 3D, because the emergence of the real quantum mass work happens at the higher dimension. So we have it in form of positron, and once we get that, we can get the charge of the electron to have the solution of electron. And so now the reality of complex system would be this stacking of flipped equilateral triangles. And then when you look at this, you can see that we have spiral, inwards spiral formation. And so the signal we have after applying formula of everything is quasar-like signal, and that is formed at the core center of the black hole. So now applying formula of everything, this is formula of everything. This capital U is this speed of the universe constant, and by supplying the electron's mass, we have this to be our solution, and that is the classical mass. And so now we substitute the classical mass right inside the formula. We have this, and we'll extend that in standard form, and then manually annihilate the suspended zero to have this.